This program detects motion using your webcam and controls an external device via a serial port, which can activate a relay for various applications. Click Connect to link the program to your device. This can control alarms, lights, or other systems. Use the slider to set motion detection sensitivity. Higher values increase sensitivity. Click Activate Motion Detection to start monitoring. The live feed appears on screen. If movement exceeds the sensitivity threshold, an alert triggers. A pop-up says, "Intruder detected," and video recording starts. The relay activates, turning on the connected device. Press Deactivate Alarm to stop the alert and recording. The relay and connected devices turn off. All detections are logged with date and time. Export logs to a CSV file. Use Export to download the log. Clear data erases the log. Click Connect to link the device. Set the slider as needed. Press Activate Motion Detection. Alerts trigger with movement, activating the relay. Stop the alert and recording. Export or clear detection logs. Thank you for watching. You can find the HTML code in the comments.